Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
First, choose a quiet room and reduce echo with soft materials like blankets or curtains. Close windows and doors to block outside noise. Turn off noisy appliances and silence phones at least 5 minutes before recording to avoid interruptions. Position yourself 3 to 6 feet from reflective walls to minimize room reverberation and avoid recording in corners that amplify bass. Place rugs or hanging fabric behind and beneath the recording area to absorb mid and high frequencies. Use a directional microphone like a cardioid shotgun or lavalier for focused audio and less room noise. For lavalier mics, clip them on clothing centered near the sternum and place them 6 to 8 inches below the chin. For shotgun microphones, mount them above the camera and point them at the speaker from 3 to 6 feet away. Use a foam windscreen indoors and a dead cat outdoors when windy to reduce plosive and wind noise. Always secure cables and avoid rubbing against clothing or boom poles during the take. Record at 48 kHz and 24-bit when possible for better headroom and clarity. Set input gain so peaks sit around -12 dB to -6 dB to avoid clipping and retain dynamics. Monitor audio with closed-back headphones to catch unwanted noises in real time. Record a short test tone and a spoken slate at the start of each take to help sync and identify tracks later. Back up your files immediately to an external drive and label takes with clear, consistent names for post-production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.